How to fix eBay payment not going through. To fix eBay payment that is not going through, first of all, ensure your billing address matches your payment method exactly, and also remove any special characters from your shipping address. And you also want to move from a computer browser to more stable eBay mobile application. And also tap the change payment method on the checkout screen to swap cards or use alternative options like PayPal or Apple Pay. Or if you are on browser on application, what you can simply do is clear the browser's cache, or if you are on application, simply long press the application icon and access the app info panel. Head to the storage. From here, proceed to clear the cache and also check if you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have, you simply have to switch to mobile network, and also try closing VPN if you have turned it on. And these steps should fix your payment issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.